Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add your bank account in Celsius app. If you don't have a Celsius account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn $50 in BTC with your first transfer of $400 or more. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Buy. On this screen, you will see an option for bank transfer. Tap on Bank Transfer. Here, you will see an option for payment method. Tap on Payment Method. On this screen, you will see a button that says Add New Payment Method. Tap on Add New Payment Method. Now, select the country you're located. Then select the state. After that, tap on Continue. On this screen, you will see several options. Tap on Bank ACH Transfer. Now here, you will see the remaining steps. First, enter your personal information, upload ID documents, then connect your bank. That's how you add your bank account in Celsius app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.